Right, so thank you very much for your time. What you're going to be seeing are 2046 religious education questions and answers. Yes, so I'm doing this for you, and I expect you to support this channel by subscribing in return, because this channel is going to be helping you. Yes, so you're going to be seeing these questions. They are specifically for you, because I want you to pass the exams. So I wish you all the best, and all I'm asking from you is simply to support the channel so that we do some exchange. I provide you with the information and then you give me support. So I wish you all the best in your exams and in your studies. Yes.